Hi, my name is Mokshada, and me and my teammate Seeana would be representing on behalf of MIAB Group D. Today, we will be discussing project failures in software implementation. Software failures are not just technical issues, they lead to huge financial losses, operational disruptions, and reputational damage. So, in this presentation, we will be covering the following 3 points. The first one is identifying the common causes of software failures. The second is analyzing real world case studies. And third, discuss key lessons and recommendations to prevent these failures. So, let's begin. Software failures don't happen by accident, they are caused by predictable management and technical issues. Here are the four most common reasons why software project fails. The first one being poor risk management. When risks are not identified early, project fails, delays, budget overruns, and even system crashes. Inadequate training. Lack of thorough testing results in bug, security vulnerabilities, and performance failures. Mismanagement. Poor planning and unrealistic timeline causes missed deadlines and low quality software. The fourth is lack of transparency. Hidden issues and poor communication leads to misaligned expectations and project failures. Now let's see how these issues have played out in major software failures. So let's take a look at four real world examples which our team has chosen to showcase the impact of financial impact on failures. The first one being Knight Capital, a trading platform which faced an algorithm glitch that led to a $440 million loss in just 45 minutes. The second one is healthcare government, where poor planning and rushed deployment caused $1.7 billion in cost overrun. The third is Volkswagen Dieselgate. Emissions test fraud resulted in $33 billion in fines and settlements. The fourth is UK Post Office Horizon System. A flawed system led to wrongful convictions and a £1 billion legal settlement. Each of these failures teaches us important lessons in project management and ethical responsibility. Software failures aren't just caused by internal mistakes, external factors also play a major role. And the four most highlighted ones are regulatory compliance. Volkswagen bypassed emission laws, leading to severe legal consequences. Vendor management. Healthcare government suffered due to poor contractor coordination. Technological constraints. The Horizon system lacked proper auditing, leading to wrongful accusations. And corporate governance. Poor oversight allowed major issues to go unnoticed. Organization needs to consider these external risks when managing projects. Let's analyze one of the most expensive software failures in history, Knight Capital. A software bug executed millions of unintended trades, causing a $440 million loss in just 45 minutes. The main causes were the faulty algorithm was deployed without proper testing. There was no way to stop the system when errors occurred. Poor risk management allowed these failures to escalate. The key lessons to take from this are always test software in a controlled environment before deploying it. Implement fail safes to prevent financial disasters. Maintain strict oversight over critical software. Now let's talk about healthcare government, one of the biggest government IT failures. The website crashed on launch day, preventing millions from enrolling in health plans. The main causes were the project lacked unclear requirements. The system went live without proper testing, and there was poor coordination between contractors. The key lessons from this are use agile development to allow flexibility and continuous improvement. Implement phased rollouts instead of full scale launches, and strengthen vendor accountability to prevent coordination issues.
Volkswagen's failure was not a mistake, it was intentional fraud. The company installed software to cheat emission tests, deceiving regulators and consumers. The main causes were the software was designed to manipulate results, no system in place to prevent fraud. The company took advantage of testing loopholes. The key lessons that we learned are strengthen compliance monitoring to prevent fraud, implement whistleblower protection to encourage ethical behavior, foster a culture of transparency and accountability. UK Post Office Horizon System. This is one of the most tragic software failure in history. The Horizon system falsely accused over 700 postmasters of fraud, leading to wrongful convictions and financial ruin. The main causes were errors were not detected before deployment. The post office ignored complaints about the system. There were no external verification of the software's accuracy. The key lessons that we learned are conduct independent audits for crucial a critical software, implement third party verification for reliability, establish transparent grievance mechanism for users to report issues. The key recommendations that we learned are robust testing and risk management. So, how can we prevent these failures? Comprehensive testing, unit integration, and system testing are essential. Automated tools which ensure scalability and reliability. Real time monitoring to detect and fix issues before they escalate. Ongoing risk assessments to adapt emerging threats. Second one, agile development and vendor management. Organization must also adopt agile development, which allows continuous improvement. Use phased rollout to reduce risk with gradual releases. Improve vendor coordination to set clear expectation and accountability. The final one, conduct third party audits, ensure software reliability before deployment. That brings us to the conclusion. Software failures can have severe consequences, but they are preventable. By focusing on rigorous testing, proactive risk management, agile development, and strong vendor oversight, we can build more reliable and resilient systems. So let's learn from past mistakes and commit to building software that is not just functional but also trustworthy. Thank you.